Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs, where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation, and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today we will learn the verb correre, which means to run. It's an irregular verb from the ere group. Let's go through the conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me. Io corro. Tu corri. Lui corre. Lei corre. Noi corriamo. Voi correte. Loro corrono. As you can see, correre changes a bit, so it's important to practice the forms. Now let's look at some simple and everyday examples. Repeat after me. Io corro al parco. Tu corri molto veloce. Lei corre ogni mattina. Noi corriamo insieme. Voi correte per prendere l'autobus? Loro corrono una maratona. Correre is useful not only for sports, but also for everyday situations. Now it's your turn. Try a sentence like Io corro per tenermi in forma. Share your example in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use correre in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao!